Have you been looking how to make $100 per day trading crypto? I'm here to show you how to do that on Bybit, but before we get in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only, so let's get straight in. So guys, getting straight into Bybit.com, okay? This is a cryptocurrency exchange established in March 2018 to offer a professional platform where crypto traders can actually find an ultra-fast matching engine, excellent customer service, and multilingual community support. The company provides innovative online spot and derivatives trading services, mining and staking products, as well as API support. So to retail and institutionalize clients around the world and strive to be the most reliable exchange for the emerging digital assets class. Now, Bybit's founder and CEO Ben Zhao were formerly from XM, one of the world's largest Forex and CFD trading brokerage firms. The company comprises professionals from investment banks, tech firms, the Forex industry, and early adopters of blockchain. The development team includes talents from Morgan Stanley, Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent. Guys, jump over to fool.com. I'm going to show you exactly how Bybit Exchange actually works. Now, it does not have KYC requirements, so you only need a phone number, email address to open the account. You can deposit cryptocurrencies or third-party app to Bitcoin with fiat. Okay, that's traditional money. It offers margins and futures trade up to 100 times leverage. Okay, Bybit users can get 100 times leverage on Bitcoin and 50 times leverage on other cryptocurrencies. Customers can also take a short-term insurance against losses. For advanced traders, both the website and mobile cryptocurrencies app are packed with useful features. You can just exchange one cryptocurrency for another. But if that's all you want to do, Bybit is probably not the best choice. It isn't set up for spot trading. If you've never used leverage before, you're essentially borrowing money to amplify your potential returns. It's also called buying the margin. Regulators don't allow retail investors to buy on margin because you may also amplify your losses and can easily be left with nothing. You can actually choose to go long, bet that the currency will gain value, or short, where you're betting that the currency will lose value. Here are the three main types of order you can make. So you can make a limit order. Okay, it's an order to buy or sell a price that you set. A market order, which is an order that fills straight away from the order book. You pay a taker fee and have less control over the price you pay. Or a conditional order. This order is activated when you trigger price is reached. For example, you might set a take profit order to take profits once you've made 50% on your investment. Last point I'm going to make, guys, hitting that link down below at NigeriaBitcoinCommunity.com. You're going to actually learn some hacks about Bybit. Okay, how you can actually make $100 a day from the exchange. Now, the affiliate market program is the first on my list because it's one of the easiest ways to earn cool cash on Bybit. All right, it currently allows referrers to make money ranging from trading free commissions to cashback on other bonuses. All you need to do is invite your friends to register or trade on Bybit. When the person you invite trades a volume of $250, you'll both share $40 in USDT. So imagine having at least 10 people to make a minimum trade of $250 daily. This means you're going to make $200 every single day without trading or depositing anything in your account. So this method is used by influencers to make a lot of money by gaining commissions and trades. You too can do that. You don't need to trade, just find people who can. Using this method, you can earn up to $5,000 monthly depending on your commitment. Okay, there is more. So the Launchpad is another way to make a lot of money on Bybit. Basically, what you're doing on Bybit Launchpad is to get a potential crypto asset before it hits its market. So when it's listed, some coins could grow up to 1,000% from the price you bought them during the launch. What this means is if you get only $1 worth of coins during the Launchpad period, that $1 can automatically become $100 once the token is launched. And guys, this is obviously hoping and learning about the crypto that you're getting involved in. We can't guarantee any of that on here. All you need to do is hold a minimum of 50 BIT, which costs around $26 out of now. Take a note of this and try not to miss out on that Launchpad. There you have it, guys. Please do your own research. Be careful in them markets. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.